Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Forex Insights, your go-to channel for everything crypto and Forex. Today we're diving into the original cryptocurrency, the one that started it all, Bitcoin. Whether you've heard about it in passing or are deep into crypto, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Bitcoin? In simple terms, Bitcoin is a type of digital money that lets you send and receive payments without needing banks or any central authority. It was created in 2008 by a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto, and guess what? We still don't know who they are. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized system, meaning no government or central bank controls it. This sets it apart from traditional currencies like the US dollar. The total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million, and this scarcity is what many believe gives it its value. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. Think of it as solving complex puzzles using powerful computers. The reward? Brand new Bitcoins. As of now, around 19 million Bitcoins have been mined, and the last one is expected to be mined in 2014-40. Now, Bitcoin didn't just show up and boom, everyone was using it. Back in 2009, with just $1, you could get over 1,000 Bitcoins. Imagine if you held on to that until Bitcoin reached $68,000 in 2021, or even its projected high of $75,000 in 2024. Talk about a wild ride. Of course, Bitcoin has had its ups and downs, from skyrocketing to $20,000 in 2017 to dropping below $16,000, then shooting back up again. It's proven time and time again that it's here to stay. Satoshi Nakamoto made Bitcoin's source code open to the public, allowing anyone to contribute to its development. And while Satoshi may have disappeared, the community of developers kept Bitcoin alive and thriving. So, where is Bitcoin headed? While no one can predict the future, Bitcoin's decentralized nature, scarcity, and growing acceptance are huge factors contributing to its staying power. Whether it's reaching new price heights or continuing to disrupt traditional financial systems, Bitcoin is definitely one to watch. And that's a wrap for today. In our next video, we'll dive into why Bitcoin was created and what problems it's trying to solve. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.